Hello, so today we will study the nature of an introvert, what is an introvert, and for this we will study what is extroversion in general, according to the Big Five model and the facets of extroversion. So there are 6 facets of extroversion, and these 6 facets are correlated statistically, which means that when one moves, the others tend to move also. And I would suggest that those 6 facets can be summed up in 4 types, which make it easier to remember and to understand. And we will see that the introvert is not typically the introvert as stereotypically understood, because stereotypically one sees an introvert as somebody who doesn't like socializing, who doesn't like parties, who doesn't like too many noises and too much sensation. But we will see that it's a little bit more subtle and complicated than this. So the first facet is warmth or friendliness, and the second facet is gregariousness. And I would suggest that those 2 facets could be understood together. So somebody who is an introvert would be more lower on friendliness, because he tends to not to make friends easily, to be hard to get to know. He would also be lower on gregariousness, because he wouldn't, for example, like large parties, and he would prefer to be alone. So this first type of introversion would be like lack of friendliness and gregariousness. A second type would correspond to the third facet, which is assertiveness. And assertiveness is the tendency and the ability to take charge. And I would suggest that an introvert would rather wait for others to lead the way. So he's not very keen on leadership positions. And the third type of introversion would correspond to the facet activity level. And those with high activity level tend to be always busy. But an introvert would like to take breaks, would like to take it easy, would like to not have his or her schedule fully packed. And the last and fourth type of introversion would correspond to the 5th and 6th facet of excitement seeking and positive emotions or cheerfulness. So somebody who would be an introvert would dislike loud music, much light, many interactions, and much excitement. And as for cheerfulness, he will not typically radiate joy, and he would rather be seldom amused. So to sum up, I would say that an introvert would be somebody who is rather low on the aspect of friendliness or gregariousness, on the consideration of assertiveness, on the aspect of activity level, and what concerns excitement seeking and cheerfulness. So that's all for today. If you liked, please like the video, please subscribe, and you can leave a comment and I will be quick to answer. Thank you.